ALDX is trending sharply as investors and biotech traders zero in on the March 16 PDUFA decision for its lead dry eye candidate, reproxalap, a small molecule treatment targeting ocular inflammation. The upcoming ruling from the FDA comes after regulators granted the company a 3-month review extension to assess additional field trial data designed to strengthen the drug's efficacy profile. The delay has dramatically heightened attention around the stock, turning it into one of the most hotly debated biotech catalysts of the month. Why is the market so divided? The community of traders and investors is deeply split over the probability of approval, largely because reproxalap's regulatory history is complicated. The program has already faced two prior complete response letters from the FDA, which requested additional evidence demonstrating consistent clinical benefit in dry eye disease. Those earlier setbacks forced the company to conduct further trials focused on real world allergen exposure and symptom relief, an approach the management of the company believes more accurately reflects patient experiences. However, despite the turbulent regulatory journey, bulls argue the company's recent progress significantly de-risks the decision. The bull case. Supporters highlight several factors fueling optimism. Draft labeling feedback. The company previously disclosed that the FDA provided draft label language, a development many biotech investors interpret as a positive signal that the agency is actively preparing for potential approval. Rapid onset of action. Reproxalap has demonstrated fast symptom relief in dry eye irritation, which bulls believe could differentiate it in a market often criticized for slow acting therapies. Large commercial opportunity. Dry eye disease affects tens of millions globally, leaving room for new treatments that offer faster relief or improved tolerability. Short interest setup. With skepticism high and bearish positioning building, some traders believe approval could trigger a short squeeze, sending shares significantly higher in a single session. The bear case. On the other side of the debate, skeptics remain unconvinced that the new data will satisfy regulators. Two previous complete response letters. Bears argue that multiple prior rejections indicate persistent regulatory concerns about trial consistency and endpoint reliability. Executive turnover. A recent executive resignation has raised questions about internal confidence and timing ahead of the decision. Financial runway concerns. Some investors worry the company may need additional capital if reproxalap is delayed again, potentially leading to dilution. Aggressive options positioning. Many traders are reportedly buying put options or bearish spreads, betting on the possibility of a third complete response letter. You can read more in the description box below. Okay, so the stock is what is going on. It's up slightly, 0.76%. 50-day average is not even up to a million shares. Yes, it is indeed optionable. Let's see what we have on its. The stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Yes, the stock actually went bullish from not very long ago. went bullish. The underlying trend went bullish of late, it went bullish, yeah, as of late January of this year. So, but yeah, as things stand right now, it is consolidating within the longer term bullish trend. And this is as of yesterday, Monday the 9th, it was on its for second straight session of gains. And the algos are thinking that it might actually maintain that strength non-stop up to the 18th. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. No guarantee at all that that will be the case. After that, it's indicating that it might go into a contraction going all the way towards the 9th of April. And then projections are currently saying 5.6, 5.89, 6.06. Did it print any intraday high? Let's see what it did. Let's see. Intraday high 5.74 was printed early this month. Yeah, 5.74. So I think it is. I'm looking at this. I'm suspecting maybe it's optionable, and maybe market maker. I mean, the activities of traders and activities of options traders and market makers. I won't conclude because 50-day average is so tiny, so it doesn't follow. It could be as well. I don't know. If, yeah, the fact that it's just been consolidating, yes, and but in the absence of huge volumes, could also be that maybe market makers it's yeah, just the activity of market options traders and market makers may be a factor in this consolidation that's been going on the stock. Yeah. Let's see now. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart. If there's enough data there. Yes, we have. Yeah, the algos are saying that it may maintain this trend up till Monday the 6th, non-stop gains. This is a weekly. It prints every Monday, non-stop gains to the 6th of April. Is that what we have on the daily chart? 6th of April, are we looking at higher prices? Not really. No, we don't have. We don't. It's not the same. We have a divergence. But coming back to the weekly chart, let's see. Projections are saying it has a wide range of projections. We have between 2.31 and 12.09. So we have 2.31, 2.84, 3.7, 8.98, 10.90, and 12.09. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what's going on right now. The stock is trending. I'll definitely continue to update you. Let's see, before we do that, let's have a look at the moving average, the 10-day moving average, just the 10-day moving average. Let's see. Extrapolation is saying that nothing. It's just going to be flat all the way towards the 17th of April. Let's see. This moving average, the 10-day moving average is gaining roughly 52 cents every day. Let's compare. Let's have a look at the other moving averages as well. Let's see. Yeah, flat as well. Flat as well. So we have an alignment. The 10 and 21-day moving averages, they are aligning. Let's see whether we have whether the other moving averages will equally do the same. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, the 40-day moving average is equally aligned, but the 20-day moving average is not. We have 200-day moving average is saying that it's just expect is just like the other ones. It may remain flat, but from let's see, from the end of towards the end of this month, it may begin to diverge. So we have a divergence. The short, intermediate, and medium term moving averages are aligning very well, but the underlying trend is expected to begin to veer off. So in the very short term, maybe um, we may have some we may have what is it called, momentum may remain sedate. Momentum may remain sedate, but I think I can we can rely on this 200-day moving average, some weakness may well play out. So let's see how all of this will go. Let's see. 200-day moving, 200 week moving average. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay. So have a look and just be really careful. And thank you very much for watching this video.